welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I posted, so sorry about that. But I have been busy making some ebooks, but today I'm going to show you how to progress into a pistol squat. If you don't know what a pistol squat is, that's a single leg squat, all the way down, all the way up. They are hard. So today I'm going to show you how to work up to it if it's a challenge you want to take on. A very impressive skill to learn, but it's not necessary. So let's go over some ways to learn. One of the best ways to start practicing is to make sure you have a sturdy support system. This is so that it can stabilize you and also help give you balance. I'm going to show you this way to do with a stabilizing support, and then another way on how to use a chair. So for beginners, working on single leg strength. A pistol squat is keeping the opposite leg off the ground while you're completing the movement. So to begin, you just need to start working on your single leg strength. A beginner pistol squat strengthening move is going to look a lot like this. Okay, so this is step one. Master this. And as you get better, you're going to continue to get lower. And then once you're comfortable there, lower. All of these are going to be done with support. Okay, that is how you use a stabilizing system. So as you get better, just keep getting further down until at each level, so I'm here, I master it at support, okay? And then as time progresses, and this is not time in a day, this is over weeks as you get better. You need to progress each level and doing each level without the support before you move on, okay? So from there, then you work on getting lower, like this. Your upper body is staying over that foot that's on the ground, okay? Now that you've mastered that, work on doing it without the support before you move on. Until you can comfortably get all the way down and you still have the support to help you back up. The goal is to use it as little bit as possible to get back up, okay? So that is a progression using a support. Another good thing to start doing is just to get comfortable in this lower position. Just holding this regularly will get your knees prepped and ready to be able to be strong in this position. Good. Now, let me show you how to do it with the chair. You use different levels of boxes, chairs, steps, where you can get up and down, no problem. Still trying to keep the form where you project your chest forward in a pistol squat, okay? It's not up, sit down, and get up. You gotta lean forward slightly. Once you can comfortably and strongly do that, you move on. For this purpose, stairs are great. We're gonna use this lower step, get up, comfortably down, and up until you're strong enough to move on. Then we're gonna go to the lowest step. We're down, and we're up. It's getting harder. We're down, and we're up. You can also push yourself off as you're gaining strength. When you are ready, you're gonna attempt a full pistol squat. You can stay by support when you are trying, just in case you get stuck. A full pistol squat is down and up, a smooth movement. You can hold at the bottom, it's just gonna make it more challenging to get back up. So, a full pistol is down and up, down and up. I want you to know that a pistol squat is a tougher movement on your knees. Before even attempting this, make sure you have a strong knee foundation. Check out my ebook, Building Happy Knees. It's a great way that I built knee strength. And also check out Knees Over Toes. He's phenomenal as well. I am out of breath. Give these pistol squat progressions a try and let me know what level you are on with any of them. And also comment down below what other type of progression videos you guys want to see. Peace.